All right, so welcome back to the geometry class. Now, in this question, they said the reaction between magnesium and oxygen is represented by the equation 2Mg plus O2 given this. If 12 grams of magnesium reacts completely with excess oxygen, what is the mass of magnesium oxide will be produced? So this is actually simple, just like the ones we have done in the past. So how do we go about solving this? So first, you need to write out balanced chemical equation, which you have as two. Excuse me. Let me make this sticker. Which you write as 2Mg plus O2 to give you MgO. Then with 2 as the coefficient. So you now say, okay, based on this, what is the stoichiometry of this reaction? So what's stoichiometry of a reaction? You check the mole of each reactant and product. So for this guy, we have 2 moles of magnesium reacting with 1 mole of oxygen. Why is the 1 mole of oxygen? What is at the back of oxygen? The coefficient of oxygen is nothing, which is 1. This one it is 2, which is 2. So don't use this. This is just oxygen molecule. All right, you don't use this as your stoichiometry. You use the coefficient at the back like this. So here the coefficient at the back of MgO is 2. So that is 2 moles. Now, in your question, they already highlighted that the oxygen is excess, and I told you in stoichiometry you don't use excess in your stoichiometric analysis, so you only use magnesium and MgO. Now, the next thing you want to do is, because your question is in gram, so you want to convert each of these guys into gram. So how do you do that? Just say number of mole equals to mass over molar mass or atomic mass. So what is the atomic mass of magnesium? 24. So and the mole is 2. So 2 equals to mass over 24. Are you with me? So that would be 2 times 24, which is 48. So mass of magnesium is 48. So now you will now say 48 gram of magnesium react with, I don't need this guy again, so let me just forget about it, will produce 2 mole of MgO. So what will be 2 mole of MgO? What will be the mass of MgO in 2 mole? So N equals to mass over molar mass again. And the N is 2, the mass is unknown, and the molar mass of MgO is, magnesium is 24, and oxygen is 16. So 24 plus 16 should be 40. Yes, should be 40. So 2 times 40, M equals to 80 grams. So meaning that 48 grams of magnesium produce 80 grams of magnesium oxide. You will now go, so this is the stoichiometry, right? This is based on the balanced chemical equation. You now go to what they actually gave you. They said 12 grams of magnesium will produce what mass of MgO. So what they give is 12 grams for magnesium. You now say magnesium is 12 grams, or if magnesium is 12 grams, then how much MgO are you going to have? And I told you that after doing this, you are going to cross multiply. So 48 times x will be 48x equals to 12 times 80 will be 20. Let me just do 12 times 80. So divide both sides by 48. 8 over 48. So this cancels this. Then 12 here 1, 12 here 4. Right? 4 here 1, 4 here 20. Therefore, your x equals to 20 grams. Meaning that 12 grams of magnesium will produce 20 grams of magnesium oxide. That is just stoichiometry. So let's check what's the correct option. We got 20, so option B is legit. So it's actually very simple. Right? So make sure you like and subscribe because I'll be posting more questions on this YouTube channel. And I'm still going to solve another question on this. And I'm going to be giving out assignments to all of you so that you can always try it out. All right, till next time.